everyone, I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Live TV. Today we have a brief Technomaria video because somebody requested. If you want to know how to use the Andoer wireless mic system, I forgot the code for this, but yeah, if you want to know, keep on watching. Somebody commented this in one of my past videos because I think they got to my channel because I posted a review of the Andoer mic system on the Andoer store on Shopee. I'm filming this on my phone and then I'll show you the difference when the microphone is turned on and turned off on this camera. I use the Andoer wireless mic system on the Canon M50. This is a mirrorless camera. This is the one that I use for most of my YouTube videos. So ito yung ginagamit ko for most of my YouTube videos. But currently, the one that is being used to film this is my Realme 10 Pro Plus. This is, ito yung mic jack niya. So dyan ko siya nilalagay. Okay, but before anything else, it also comes with a lavalier mic. A lavalier mic is the one na yung kiniklip dito na maliit na mic. Tapos, kinoconnect pa dito. I don't like using that kasi feeling ko nakadagdag siya ng factors to faulty or na makalimutan ko i-turn on ang mic or like may static, whatever. So, I prefer just using this two and this connector. Dalawa to siya. The one that I bought is dalawa lang sila. Ito malalaman yung difference niya. What I did para mas madali ko sila ma-distinguish is nilagyan ko ng sticker yung isa. Parang mas madali ko sila ma-distinguish. Ma-differentiate, whatever. Ito, the one with the sticker, ito yung sa gilid niya. So this is the jack for the mic. This is auxiliary, so if you want to connect it anywhere. And this is the one naman na for charging. So, take note guys, USB-C yan. The same dito sa kabila, may USB-C din siya, but this one is for, I think, when you want to listen in. Ito naman siya is for connecting to an external recorder. So, yung external recorder niya is dito na siya directly. Dito rin pala guys, take note na merong buttons na volume down and volume up. Naka-off pa to ah. What I do is, kinoconnect ko dito, take note, dito sa taas, and then kinoconnect ko siya sa mic jack ng camera. Dito ko na lang siya kiniklip guys. Kasi usually naka-tripod to eh. Ganyan, naka-tripod siyang ganon. Ito, kiniklip ko sa self ko. So, kung medyo dark yung suot ko, pag ganito ko siya kiniklip. Kung medyo light or bright colored, ayan, ganyan. It's just a thing that I do. It's not a technical thing. The next thing that I do is, of course, turn on the camera. What I'm going to do now is, I'm going to record something na naka-connect siya but hindi naka-turn on. Hi, hello. So, this is a test recording ng wala pa naka-turn on yung mic. See the video kanina na hindi naka-on. Actually, nangyari to sa akin kanina. Nag-intro ako, tas hindi pala naka-on yung microphone. The next one that I'm gonna record is turn on ko sila both. Nota, ayan o. Naka-on na ito siya. Pero, tignan nyo, nagbe-blink siya because hindi pa naka-turn on tong kabila. Ayan o, hindi pa siya naka-turn on. Turn on din natin. Let's do a mic test. Mic test. Okay. Usually what I do is, before I start recording the actual video, nagma-mic test muna ako guys. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Okay. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Ayan. So, nagwo-work na siya. Ganun lang yung difference niya, guys. So ganun lang siya ka-simple, guys. So, ngayon naman, try natin siya sa, yeah, this is my Realme 9 Pro Plus. So, dito naman natin siya i-try. Ayan. May audio jack pa kasi to. Yung 10 Pro Plus kasi, guys, walang audio jack. So, yun yung problema. Mic test. Ayan. Since yung audio jack is yun din yung labasan ng speaker and ng mic, so kailangan natin siya i-unplug. pag kailangan natin i-check. So,
Mic test.
ayun. It's working. So, ganun lang siya ka-simple. Just make sure na nakakonect siya properly sa mic jack. Either sa phone or sa camera. Ayan. At saka dito. And then, make sure also naka-turn on sila both. And for the first use, actually, nung na-receive ko to, if I'm not mistaken, naka-charge naman sila. I think yung pinaka-problema ko lang talaga dito sa mga microphone na to is sometimes there's a static sound na sabi ng ibang tao, they're not, hindi daw masyado nila naririnig yung static sound, but ako, sensitive kasi ako to static sound, so naririnig ko siya, but I can edit it post-processing. Pero syempre kapag, like, if I have to produce something right away, medyo hassle siya. So okay lang yun, hindi siya big problem to me. If you're here to ask questions about the Andoer wireless mic system, let me know your questions down below. I'll try to answer them either via another video or by replying to your comment. I hope nasagot ko yung basic na tanong na how to make it work. Hindi na siguro first impressions kasi more than 1 year ko na yata ito nagagamit. I think for its price point, sulit siya, especially if you're not really like somebody earning a lot from the content that you make and you just want a good, reliable microphone. I'm satisfied naman for its price. If you have any questions about this one, just leave a comment down below. And to the person who asked, kasi nakalimutan ko na rin siyang i-review, thank you for asking that question. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any comments about this review. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and share this with your friends if they're interested in buying the Andoer wireless mic system. I'm planning to upgrade really soon, but as of now, this is working really well for me. So I do recommend it for the price point, sulit siya. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you liked this video and it's useful and practical to you guys. Let me know if there are other products that you want me to buy and review for you guys. Huwag naman masyadong mahal. Hindi ganun kalaki yung pera ko. Wala akong masyadong budget for tech stuff. Don't forget to visit my blogs, Technomaria.com for all my tech stuff and JosaLife.com for all my lifestyle and shopping stuff. And follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, Ria Jose Davao. On Twitter, Ria Jose. On Facebook, Ria Jose Davao and JosaLife. And of course, I have a TikTok channel, Ria Jose. Thank you guys for watching. Always be safe. Practice social distancing. Wear a mask pa rin. Take your vitamins. Drink a lot of water. Eat well. Sleep well. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Everyone. Salamat. Paalam.